Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys iQOO setting fans, and today fans I am going to show you guys how to set ringtone on iQOO phone. Fans, you want to set ringtone on your iQOO phone, so how to set and use ringtone on iQOO phone. Today fans I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video fans, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Open your phone setting to set ringtone. After on phone setting friends, scroll it friends, you can see guys your phone sound settings. So guys click on sound setting. Friends, you want to set ringtone, vibrate for call setting as you want to use. So friends, you can vibrate for call setting from here. Friends, you can see notification vibration. Friends, you want to notification vibration, you can on from here. Friends, we'll click on phone ringtone. So which ringtone guys you like guys, select any ringtone. So guys I will select guys any ringtone. Example by this lifestyle ringtone guys, we will select. And guys you can see this ringtone will set, and guys you can increase and decrease this ringtone volume from here guys. Ringtone volume you can adjust from here. So like that guys, you can set ringtone on your iQOO phone device. And once you want to set guys your message tune, your notification sound, so you can set from here. Alarm ringtone guys you want to set, so you can set from here. So once you want to set ringtone guys, click here. Once you can see custom ringtone guys, tap here. Once you want to set guys any custom ringtone, so once you can set from here guys, which download ringtone guys you have guys, you can set from here guys. So guys, the system ringtone guys we will set, and once we want to change, so you can change from here and ringtone. So guys your ringtone will change, you can see guys. And friends, you can adjust your ringtone volume from here. So I hope friends you understood how to set ringtone on iQOO phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt related to guys your sound and vibration setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. So bye guys.